So hello guys, so for today's video, ito ang dinner ko guys, dry shirataki konjac rice. So I put here 2 cup of hot water and then 2 cup for this. So after 10 minutes, maluluto na to guys. Ganon-ganonin lang to. Next. So 1:1 for this. Yeah. And then imimix natin to. And then takpan ko to guys ng 10 to 15 minutes. So very hot water to guys ha. It's not normal. So balik alindog na si Dayan Studio. Sana all. Ito guys, naka-sealed siya. Buksan natin to after 10 minutes. Ipakita ko sa inyo pagluto na. So this is my dinner for today with our chicken grilled. Ito na yan guys, check natin. Ready to eat na ba to? Oh, see? O diba guys, ready to eat na. Bango. Mamaya, pag maluto na yung ano ko. What's this? Chicken grilled. Yan ang i-ano ko dito.